Hello everyone, I am going to explain you another phylum that is called chondrichthyes. They are also commonly known as cartilaginous fishes. So their endoskeleton is made up of cartilage at the place of bone. So they are commonly called cartilaginous fishes. And under agnatho division, agnathoestomata we have discussed the cycloestomata. नाउ इन ग्नैथोस्टोमाटा हैविंग जॉ, जिनको जबड़ा होता है, जैसे हम लोग का जबड़ा है उस तरह से जबड़ा वाले जो जीव हैं उनमें पहला मेंबर यही का आता है. दे आर जॉर्ज फीसेस बट नॉट इंडोस्केलेटन ऑफ बोन, कार्टिलेज, chondrichthyes, hence the group given as chondrichthyes. Chondrin is a chemical that is flexible, not hard like the bones, present and makes their endoskeleton, hence they are called chondrichthyes or cartilaginous fishes. So the main features are a streamline body, is a streamline, fusiform, widen at the middle, narrow at the taper at the anterior part as well as posteriorly. They have a fins, body is covered with placoid scales. So here this is the advancements from the cycloestomata. They divide it, but it has placoid scale. Body is covered with a scale, that is placoid. Now mouth is ventral. When you talk about mouth, this is one of the difference between bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. In bony fishes, you will have to draw the mouth at anteriorly at the teeth. But there is a ventral side. When you divide the body into two equal halves, upper portion and lower portion, you will see that the mouth is in lower portion, that is ventral side. So ventrally mouth is situated, and with teeth, mouths have teeth pointed towards the placoid scale, modified especially into teeth and pointed backward. So they have a teeth also. Powerful jaw. Jaws are very powerful, so they are predators. They kill other organisms and predates them. So powerful jaw make them predators. 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits. You are observing here gill slits for respiration. But in bony fishes, these gill slits are covered by operculum. They are not covered by operculum. A protective coat, a hard coat, that is devoid. So operculum is absent here, and pair gill slits are open without operculum. No air bladder, swim bladders or air bladder present in bony fishes, but here they lack also and have to swim continuously to avoid sinking. Whenever they have to sink, lower bottom of the pond or whatever the marine habit they found, they have to continuously swim to avoid sinking. नीचे जाने से बचने के लिए वो स्विम ब्लैडर में हवा भर लेते थे कौन? बोनी फिशेस. इनके पास स्विम ब्लैडर नहीं होता है तो इनको तैरना पड़ता है. तैर करके ये ऊपर रख इनको डूब जाएंगे. तो दिस वन 5 एयर ब्लैडर नो. Pyochilothermal means cold blooded. They fluctuate their body temperature. The enzyme work at narrow range of difference in temperature. So pyochilothermals, cold-blooded. Heart is 2-chamber and closed type of circulatory system. They have a heart as well as blood vessels, capillaries, all them. Electric organs and poisonous instincts are well developed to make them predators. Now for the different system. They are dioecious, male and females are separated. Internal fertilization, and some are oviparous, other are viviparous too. Both present here in this. Like Scoliodon, Trigon, Pristis or Carcharodon. These are the viviparous, while Torpedo is a oviparous member. Okay. So advancements. What are the advancement over the other members? When you see the advancement over the other members, you will see that they have jaw, vivipary condition, a scale, placoid scale present, teeth come as a electric organ and poisonous sting organs present, as a defense, and the body is streamlined. So these are the advancements over cyclostomata. I think you have got this point. Scoliodon or cartilaginous species. The group, many groups are there. Torpedo, Scoliodon, that is called dogfish. Dogfish are not generally fishes. They are cartilaginous species. Scoliodon. Okay. Thank you.